Security, please, can you come and help us out here?
We are full this side, yeah? We are full this side. Security, no more people crossing over the ramp, yeah? We are full this side.
Crossing. And I'm requesting when it's Mukulawa so that these people can go behind.
No more people crossing over the ramp.
Temuda Mukusala, security. Security, don't allow anyone to cross. Security, temukkiriza abantu kusala ku ddeeni. Twagala bazirise bokka, omulamu asigaleyo. Tubeegayiridde twagala kyegende mu maaso. Can I have help from Uganda Police, please? Uganda Police? Bassebo ne bannyabo ng'atazirise tosala ku ddeeni. Mbeegayiridde. Eno tujjayo bazirise nga bali obubi. Security munyambe bano abantu abali wano basale baddeyo. Atazirise tasaka. Buli omu asigale waali, movement sigyagala. Kyegende mu maaso.
Okay, security, now let's clear the stage, yeah? Let's clear the stage. Baba usabo natso kat clearing the stage ifenna. Ataina kuba ku stage aveeko. Let's clear the stage. Let's clear the stage. Oba toli MC va ku stage.
Just about to clearing the stage at the moment. Security, don't allow anyone to cross now. Our security tusooka tuve ku stage katono.
Security fa abangi kati tusooke tuclearinge ffenna tuveeko.
Tusooke tuve ku stage badia.
I'm the last person to be on the stage. All of you, please leave the stage. Hello? Leave the stage. Please, get away from here. All of you. Hello? Get away from here. All of you leave the stage apart from my informed people. No one should be on the stage. Wait. Go up. Banange kati. Tugenda kutandika buto. Tusaba buli muntu yeefuge. Nabagambye nze in charge of security here. Twagala ffenna tuwerenga muganda waffe tetumukuba bipali bya leero.
Abantu bafamwe.
Muwulidde?
Sijjako live. Bamanyi. Biyisemu ne bbiya. Ama omuceere gwange. Tomalaawo omuceere.
Mwebale nnyo okukuuma emirembe.
Abantu bafa, abantu bamenye buli kimu.
Okay.
Buli wamu sho nga bw'ogiraba.
Thank you so much for keeping peace. The show is back on track. The show is back on track. We apologize for anything. But thank you so much for the love you have for the Queen. Chechiriao.
Chechigena maso.
Badeye mabega.
Badeye mabega. Moyongele yoke mabega.
Okay, Viana. Last year, Queen Sheba took it upon herself. Okunonya talent into. She opened up a record label, Kama Music. Wanji
Ground TV, 100%.
She took it upon herself to look for talent. We are not talentezo. Out of 100 talents, she selected 2.
Only 2.
1 and 2. Tonight, she told me she wants to unveil these 2 talents officially
From Kama
on this
Music.
stage.
Yeah.
Unveiling the record label Kama Music. Welcome. Okay. Bw'obafunye obuzibu bw'oli kweno line, ambulances weziri wali eriya. Let's get this show back on track, yeah? Introducing Kama Music. Let's go.